Hey guys, it's me, Jake, and I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly knife out of Lego. So you'll need 6 of these, 2 of these T's, 2 of these, or mostly this. This one doesn't move at all. I mean, it moves, but I think you should use these. There. And then 2 of these, and a blade. So it doesn't really matter how size these are. It just matters that you have a blade and 2 handles. First thing you want to do, take these T's and put one in the top, one right here, one right there. Then you want to repeat the process on the other one. One right here, one right there, one right here. Now you got to take one of them, and the side that has the shortest part, with both of them, stick them in like this. Alright, now you take your blade part that you want to use, snap that right there. Then you want to take your 2 handles, stick one right there, one right there. Then you want to take your other T, and then put it like this. Now you got your own simple butterfly knife. That was a short video. Open it like this. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.